everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. It's Friday morning. I decided to make some pancake for everybody home. It's very simple and easy breakfast dish. Everyone loves it, so I'm gonna do that today. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. For the pancake, I have a 2.5 cup of pancake mix. It's a ready-made mix. If you want to make it home, it's very easy to make also. You have to have a 2.5 cup of regular flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, baking soda, and also you can add some corn flour also. As pretty easy, and sugar, a couple of 1 tablespoon of each cup of flour. So it's pretty easy to make, but I decided to use the ready-made one I had at home. So this is a simple pancake mix. So for the liquid, I have a 2 cup of milk. It's a regular milk, 3%. So each cup and half flour, you need 1 cup of milk, and adding 1 egg for each 1.25 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 egg. So I'm gonna add 2 cup of milk, so I'm gonna use 2 whole egg. It's up to you if you want to use some vanilla extract. I'm using a splash of vanilla extract. And you can mix everything together nicely. And then you can add all the liquid into the flour. And very slowly just incorporate everything together. You don't have to be hot mix. So now it look like this, little lumpy, a little runny. I'll leave it for a few minutes on the side, and then I'm gonna make pancakes. So before I make pancake, I decided to do some berry compote. For that, I'm using a little butter. Little butter, and some cut up fruit with strawberry, banana, some blueberry, actually blackberry. It's optional, it's up to you if you want to use it. It gives a little extra flavor and extra look to the pancake. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We just caramelize a little bit, all the fruit mixed together. So our fruit combo is nicely cooked. It's nicely caramelized. See the color, the vibrant color. It's optional if you want to use it. Look nice. So now I'm gonna start making our pancake. It's ready. Look amazing. So our batter is nicely rested. So I'm gonna start making pancake. So just add a little bit of butter to a non-stick pan. Very low medium heat. And just move around your butter. You can use any kind of scoop. I'm using a small scoop. Just one scoop. Just place it in the center. It will take about a few minutes for each side. See, it's ready to turn. I'm gonna turn it nice and brown. So our pancake almost ready. I'm gonna presenting that one. I like to use all that berry compo and all the garnishes I made. I'm going to use that to decorate our nice pancake. It look amazing. You guys can see, nice and golden brown color. So let's do some presentation. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. The pancake came out very nice and it's looking good, tastes good. Everybody likes it. And please do try this recipe and subscribe our channel if you like the video. And also follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And please stay safe and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everybody.